Hello and welcome. Today we will be demonstrating the proper procedure for closing a DirecTV or Dish Network install using the OfficeTrack app for Android devices. Upon completion of our installation, we select the Close Form option in the Tasks main menu. We are then presented with our DirecTV or Dish Network Close Form. This form allows us to enter our DirecTV or Dish Network account number and the number of receivers that we installed. We are then tasked with recording our receiver information. Once selected, the STB information form requests the model, the receiver ID, the smart card information, and the location which we installed our STB. If we have installed multiple receivers, we will use the next form arrow in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen to enter the information from the remaining receivers. Upon completion of the STB information form, we select the Send Form option in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. If we installed a cable modem during our visit to the home, we will then enter the MAC address from our modem. The final step before sending our form is to enter our detailed install notes at the bottom of the page. Once each of the sections of the form is complete, we select the Send Form option in the upper right-hand corner of the screen to close our task. We have now successfully completed our Dish Network installation